Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Dear, today we are going to deal with the content or the prose or poem that are in your syllabus. Okay, actually today in this lecture we are going to I am going to introduce you the syllabus of syllabus of English language and literature for the class 9th CBSE. Okay, so dear, you might know that some parts of our syllabus have been reduced from your syllabus. Yes, some parts. So in this video lecture we are going to see what are the parts are there in your syllabus and what are reduced. Okay, so dear, as we know that there are two books for class 9 for the subject English language and literature. English language and literature. Okay, so you know better that there are two subjects in English, supplementary English and English language and literature. And English language and literature is there in your syllabus, and for this subject two books are recommended by the CBSE study board, and the names of these two books are Bihayu as the main course book and Moments for supplementary reading. Okay, so these two books are there in your these two books are prescribed for your syllabus. So take the note of the names of these two books. Okay, while you go to purchase the books for your study from the market, for the subject English language and literature you should buy the two books as I mentioned earlier, Moments and Bihayu. Okay, besides that you should know what are the topics, means what are the prose and poems are there in your syllabus, what are the stories are there in your syllabus. Why? Because some prose and poems are reduced from your syllabus this year. So turning the page or opening the book at the page of contents, you will find some a list of prose and poems. Okay, among them some poems and prose are reduced. Okay, so let's see what are the prose and poems remained in your syllabus and what are the prose and poems that are reduced from your syllabus. Okay, so open the book at the page of contents, and pay attention and listen me attentively or listen me carefully. I'm going to tell the names of the prose and poems that are in your syllabus. So first of all, let's take the book Bihayu. Okay, so let's take the book Bihayu and open the book at the page of contents and look at there, the list is given there of all the prose and poems. So taking a pen in your hand, do write there or do mark there right or cross, do write or do mark there right or cross signs before the prose and poems that are there in syllabus and that are reduced from your syllabus respectively. Mark the right sign, right? Okay, mark the right sign before the prose and poems that are in your syllabus and mark cross sign before the prose and poems that are reduced from your syllabus. Okay, so are you ready? So let's begin. So there, the first one is the fun they had. The fun they had is there in your syllabus. So do mark right sign there. Then the road not taken. The road not taken is there in your syllabus. Okay. The sound of music is also there in your syllabus. Wind, the poem is there in your syllabus. The little girl. Okay, so first of all, listen me guys. I am going to say the names of the prose and poems that are in your syllabus. Okay, so listen me carefully and do mark the right sign. Okay, and I am going to read the names of the prose and poems in a sequence. Okay, the fun they had, the road not taken, the sound of music, wind, the little girl, rain on the roof. Look at that. The fun they had, the road not taken, the fun they had, the road not taken, the sound of music, wind, the little girl, rain on the roof. Okay, from unit 1 to 3, all topics means all prose and poems are there in your syllabus. Next one is a truly beautiful mind. A truly beautiful mind is there in your syllabus. Okay, so do mark there right sign. Then a legend of the Northland. A legend of the Northland. Fifth one poem is there in your syllabus. Okay, legend of the Northland. Then my childhood is there in your syllabus. No men or foreign is there in your syllabus. Then packing is there in your syllabus. Packing is there in your syllabus. Then from unit 8 to 11, reach for the top is there in your syllabus. Then on killing a tree is also there in your syllabus. On killing a tree is there in your syllabus. The bond of love is there in your syllabus. The bond of love is there in your syllabus. Then the snake trying is there in your syllabus. And the last one is if I were you. The one act play is also there in your syllabus. Got it? So these are the lessons and poems there in your syllabus. Okay, so I repeat once again the names of the prose and poems that are in your syllabus. The fun they had, the road not taken, the sound of music, wind, the little girl, rain on the roof, a truly beautiful mind, a legend of the Northland, my childhood, no men are foreign, packing, reach for the top, on killing a tree, the snake trying, the bond of love, and if I were you. Okay, so these are the poems and prose from the book Bihayu. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Then the next one is moments. Okay, and now let's see what are the topics the stories are there in your syllabus from the book Moments. Okay, so I am going to read the names of the stories that are in your syllabus from the book Moments. Okay, so do write there or do mark there. Okay, right sign. The lost child is there in your syllabus. The adventures of Toto is also there in your syllabus. Then in the kingdom of fools is also there in your syllabus. The happy prince is there in your syllabus. Weathering the storm in Ersama. Weathering the storm in Ersama is also there in your syllabus. Weathering the storm in Ersama is there in your syllabus. Then the last leaf, the last leaf, the last leaf is there in your syllabus. The last leaf. A house is not a home. A house is not a home. A house is not a home is there in your syllabus. A house is not a home is there in your syllabus. Then at last, the beggar. The beggar. The beggar is there in your syllabus. The beggar. The beggar is there in your syllabus. Okay, so these are the stories from the book Moments are there in your syllabus. Got it? I hope you have got the names of all the prose and poems and the stories that are in your syllabus. Besides this, some grammar parts are included in your syllabus and some writing skills. Okay, some topics of writing skills are also there. So do write in your copy or take the note of the names of topics that are in grammar section. Okay, so the first one is determiners. Look at that, write down there the grammar topics, and below that write down the names of the topics that are included in your syllabus for the grammar part, okay, or grammar section. The first one is determiners. Determiners is there. Then prepositions is there. Next is tenses. The uses of tenses, actually the tenses is there. Tenses, okay. Then modal verbs, okay. Modal verbs, or as we know, modal auxiliary verbs, okay. These are there. So in grammar topics, as I told you, determiners, prepositions, tenses, modal verbs, and then voices is there. Narration is there. Narration means actually the uses of passive voice is there. And narration means actually indirect speech is there. Okay, indirect speech is there in your syllabus. Direct, indirect speech, that is called narration. And then next one is clauses is also there in your syllabus. But dear guys, CBSE study board has reduced three topics of grammar, but still I would like to suggest you to study all these 7 topics. But for your information, as you have written in your copy or wherever you have written the names of grammar topics, you could mention there which are the 3 topics that are reduced from your syllabus. Okay, the first one is clauses. First one is prepositions, then passive voice, that means voices, and clauses. Okay, prepositions, voices, and clauses. These 3 topics are reduced from your syllabus, but still I would like to suggest you to study all these 7 topics of grammar that are included in your syllabus. Okay, besides this, writing part is also there, and in writing part only 3 topics are suggested for you by the CBSE study board. Okay, and what are the 3 topics? The first one is do write in your copy. The first one is diary entry is there in your syllabus. Diary entry, DIARY. Okay, diary entry is there in your syllabus. Next one is descriptive paragraph writing. Descriptive paragraph writing means what? In this question they asked to describe in this question, they ask you to describe either a person, a place, or a thing. Either a person, place, or a thing. Okay, मतलब इन तीनों में से किसी एक को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए पूछा जा सकता है, किसी व्यक्ति को, किसी ठिकान को, मतलब किसी प्लेस को, या फिर किसी चीज़ को. So this is called descriptive paragraph writing. And one thing more about this is that you have to write any one between these two, either diary entry or paragraph writing. Both will be there with internal choices. Means either you have to write diary entry or paragraph writing. Okay, any one out of the two you have to write. Okay, so prepare any one, either diary entry or paragraph writing. Okay, then the third one topic is story writing. Okay, story writing is there again in your syllabus with and that you have to answer using the hints given in the question. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन रहेगा उस क्वेश्चन में कुछ हिंट्स दी रही होगी, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द हिंट्स यू हैव टू डेवलप अ स्टोरी. ओके, सो गॉट इट. 3 topics are there in writing skill: diary entry, descriptive paragraph writing, and story writing. Okay, in grammar topics we have seen already determiners, prepositions, tenses, modals, voices, narration, and clauses. Okay, these topics are there from grammar means in the grammar section. Okay, and the writing means in the literature section we have seen what are the prose and poems and the stories. Besides this, again a comprehension skill is also there, and in that comprehension skill 2 paragraphs would be there in examination. So an unseen paragraphs would be there in your examination that you have to solve out. Okay, so dear guys, this is just a brief introduction of your syllabus for the subject English language and literature of class 9th. So dear guys, keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe the channel Rameshwar Thakur. Okay, so see you soon in our next video lecture. Bye bye.